Alright, this is weird already. Hey guys. I just filmed a video. If I look familiar, it's because I just filmed my winter China Glaze swatch collection, but I wanted to do a vlog, or start a vlog, I guess, and I didn't want it to be like one of those, like the same place as like where I usually film, where I'm like pretending everything is like all neat and organized and my life is together, because it's totally not. But yeah, I wanted to just talk to you guys and let you know what's been going on. I know I've been really bad with my schedule lately. Oh my gosh, my heart is beating like super fast. I don't know why I'm nervous about this. But yeah, I guess I'll just get to the point. I wanted to kind of vlog with you guys because I'm moving to New Jersey in 2 days. I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about it and why and what's been going on. So if you've been watching me for a decent amount of time, you probably remember that like around August, I guess, I was going through like a really weird period of depression and I didn't really know what was wrong, and I started talking to a therapist who I still talk to, and he's awesome. There was nothing wrong, but it just felt like everything wasn't right, and I was just, I don't know, I was really sad all the time. Everything felt so bad. So I was kind of going through that for a really long time, like a few months. I don't know, hopefully you guys couldn't tell in my videos because I tried my best to just be as happy as possible and stuff, but I was really struggling. So back in December, I was starting to think that, you know, maybe I needed to just make a really big change in my life. So I actually broke up with Evan a couple of months ago. I decided that I want to move back to New Jersey, where I'm originally from, to try to get better, I guess. I didn't want to tell you guys immediately because I kind of needed some time to figure my life out, and you may have noticed that kind of the month of January was really sparse for me for uploading videos, mostly because I was just trying to get a lot of stuff done at work, at my office job, not this. I was trying to, you know, find a place to stay, trying to find where I'm gonna live when I move back. So I don't know, it's been kind of hard. So that's what's been going on. If you guys have been wondering, I know some of you guys are like, you're getting lazy, but I'm not getting lazy. I really wanna keep doing this, and hopefully by the time you guys are watching this, I will have moved into my new place, and maybe, I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, like if it's gonna be like all the way through until I get a new place, or if it's just gonna be like me packing up here, or whatever it is that is. I'm gonna get back on track as soon as, you know, I have my own place and, you know, I'm back in the swing of things. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to vlog the adventure, just let you guys know what's been going on with me and what's been going on with my life. I'm kind of just like making this huge change with no plan. Even though I've had a long time to sort of think about what I want, it's just like, it's kind of just I don't know, making a change. So right now I'm currently in the process of packing up all of my polishes. You can see there's a ton of bubble wrap behind me that I've been cutting up. I actually filmed a decluttering video. I know I promised you guys one, but halfway through my decluttering, I like started packing because I feel like I only have 2 days to pack and my whole office is still just not even packed at all. So I have like all of my stuff here. I don't know if at some point I'm gonna go through and show you guys. My coworker is picking these up this afternoon and she's gonna kind of rummage through them and decide what she likes, and I'm gonna make her donate the rest of these so that I can continue packing and stuff. So this is just one box. I've got 2 of them. Oh, is my address showing anywhere? No. Okay. Not that it matters because I'm moving. Basically, I'll tell you guys, I got rid of all of the KB shimmers. I got rid of the Color Club color changing polishes that I got last year, I think. I don't think they really change colors anymore. Those color changing ones don't have a great shelf life. I got rid of the rest of my Essies. I got rid of my floss gloss polishes, even though I love floss gloss. I just feel like the bottles are not my favorite, and I have so many polishes, like I feel like I can get rid of them. I got rid of my Queen stamping polishes. I got rid of a few indie brands that don't exist anymore. Oh, I got rid of all of my Color Me Monthly polishes. I got rid of all of my old liquid latexes, like the Bliss Kiss Simply Peel, because it just was completely solid. I had a Queen one as well that I got rid of. I got rid of my liquid Palisade, really just used my one liquid latex. And I'm actually getting liquid latex alternatives, which, I don't know, maybe by the time this video is out, I will have gotten them. I'm like shipping everything to my parents' house now. Oh, I got rid of all of my Morgan Taylor polishes too. I only had 5 of them. I got rid of that RMS one, or like any of those just random one-off ones that I was like, I don't even know where I got this. I got rid of those. And all the ones that I talked about in my video of polishes that I don't like, I got rid of those too. So the ones that just don't work anymore, I'm throwing out, and then the ones that work that I just don't want anymore, my coworker's gonna just take them off my hands and take care of it for me. So that's all going on there. I know a lot of you guys mentioned in my organization video that you wanted me to give them away. The thing with that is I don't feel comfortable giving away my used polishes. I don't know. That just seems kind of gross to me. So I have giveaways a lot with brands, and they ship out brand new polishes. So I'm gonna continue having those. They're usually on Instagram or whatever. So, you know, don't think that I'm, you know, being cheap and I don't want to give you guys anything. I always try to, but I just don't want to give away my old used polishes because, like, I'm getting rid of them for a reason, you know what I mean? I'm gonna continue packing. Basically what I'm doing is just like doing like a little sausage roll of each polish. I bought like a huge thing of bubble wrap. This is like a third of the size that it was, and I take these like sheets and I cut them into thirds. And then I'm taking shipping tape and I'm cutting it into little tiny strips. And then I am using those as like my little sausage rolls, and then packing up the polishes. This is like the worst part about the packing. I already packed up all my clothes, so that's all done. I have a couple suitcases in here just of clothes that I've been wearing for the last couple of weeks. Then I have to do all my makeup too. So I think I actually have to run to Home Depot at some point and buy more bubble wrap because that's not gonna be enough. I'm not even halfway done with my polishes. I have my whole, I'll show you guys, my whole rack right here, and then I still have like this whole side of polishes, and then I didn't even realize until after I was done filming that video, but I have just a whole, hold on, I'll come up. But yeah, so on the floor, you guys are about to judge me so hard for my mess. So this is where all of my polishes are being stored. But I also have just like a bunch of untouched polishes that are just hanging out on the floor right now. Those ones I might actually give away because I haven't even touched those. I have the Zoya Naturel ones over there, and then I have OPI Love XOXO collection, Infinite Shine, although I might give that to my sister and my sister-in-law. I gotta do all those as well, and then this whole giant thing of my makeup, and then I have to tackle that mess, which I don't even, it was originally supposed to be like a drawer of stamping stuff, but I see like I got all sorts of garbage on there, so gotta work on all that. And yeah, so I don't know, cleaning montage. Well, hoping that the iPhone quality is as good as people say it is, because I packed up most of my film equipment. So we're just gonna keep on doing this on my phone. So it's like 10 o'clock right now. I'm still bubble wrapping polishes, and it's not that much fun. Took a quick break, and like I said, I packed up all of my film stuff, and just everything is just in disarray in this room right now. I packed up my clothes for the most part. I have to actually do laundry too, so I have to go down to the communal laundry room and do all that stuff too. But yeah, so I have like a 6 a.m. appointment to go to U-Haul to get my stuff for hauling. So I have a lot of work to do tonight, so I'm probably gonna just stay awake through and just keep on going. I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discuss. So I'm at my parents' house in New Jersey. I've been here for a couple of days. I've just been like sleeping, looking at apartments, hoping that I can find a place in the next couple of days because I have to pay every day that I have the U-Haul. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys like the rest of me packing or any of that stuff. It was just, I look really bad. Oh, wow. I just took a nap. It's like nice sleeping on a real bed again. I've been sleeping on the couch for the last month, so I just need to catch up on some sleep. But yeah, so this is me post-nap. I just have like some eye makeup on, which I mostly wiped off. But yeah, so hoping to find a place soon because I am paying U-Haul $20 a day to use their trailer. And I just want to, you know, I'm like living out of a suitcase right now, so I just want to get everything figured out. So I will update you guys when I have an update. Okay, so just a quick update. I am in the car outside of a hair salon. I'm about to get my hair dyed like a funky color. I was thinking red or pink. I will show you guys. But it's been like a little while since I've updated you. I've been at my house, my parents' house, for a couple weeks. And I found a place to live. I'm moving in next week. So after I show you guys my hair, my next update will probably be once I actually move into my new place. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Hello guys. Okay, so dyed my hair. Yay. So if you just take away this top part, you can see that this half of my hair is actually hot pink. This half of my hair is red. And then since I have a side part, as you guys probably know, we got some red on this side as well. So yeah, don't mind my background. I'm in my parents' guest room. That's like all of my mess from living here for the last couple of weeks, and that's a crib. I just don't have a bedroom in my parents' house anymore. But yeah, exciting news. I got a vlogging camera. Yay! If you're wondering what this quality is. I don't know actually if it is, ooh, look at that lighting. Yeah, I don't know if it's better quality. I'm hoping it's better quality than my phone. But it's also like really dark outside. I'm like sitting in front of the window, just trying to vlog. Yeah, so I got the A5100, which I feel like everyone and their mother has. So if you see me looking slightly up, it's because the viewfinder's right there. What's up, guys? Okay, so I'm officially here in my new place. I'm still unpacking, clearly. And I just got my bed, which I'll show you guys. It's a mess. Everything is. Check out my llama sheets. I also, oh, very exciting purchase. I got one of these pillows. It's so much fun. I can't stop. Anyway, so this is the room. I actually painted the whole room. So I've got this nice blue detail wall. I've got the nice gray walls, all that stuff. A nice little vent there. But yeah, very excited. So I don't have any of my film equipment yet, so that's still at my parents' house. I'm going to have to go there and get everything and bring it here and set up my desk and everything. I think I'm going to set it up right there by that window so that I can get some nice natural light. Fun fact, I am on a busy street, of course. I moved from busy street to busy street, so you guys are probably still going to hear some street noises in my videos, but that's okay. But my next video is going to be super exciting. I can't tell you what it is yet, but the reveal will be soon. As soon as I have my film equipment set up, I am going to do a video, and it's very exciting. So I'm excited about it. Anyway, I love this room. I love the light. I love these big windows. But yeah, so that's it. If this is the end of the vlog, I'll see you guys another time. And if not, then I'll see you in the next clip. I have this feature. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can change the lights to literally any color. Cool, right?